Riley Animal Tales and Facts. Don't forget to hit subscribe button and notification bell for new videos. Certainly, dogs are highly social animals that use various sounds to communicate with one another and with humans. In general, dogs have a wide range of vocalizations that they use to express their emotions, needs, and desires. Understanding dog sounds can help owners better communicate with their pets and respond appropriately to their needs. There are several sounds that dogs use to communicate with other dogs and with humans. Here are the 8 main sounds that dogs make and their meanings. Number 1. Barking. This is the most common dog sound and is used for a variety of reasons such as alerting, expressing excitement or happiness, greeting people or other dogs, or demanding attention or food. Number 2. Whining. This is a high-pitched sound that dogs make, and it can be a sign of discomfort, anxiety, or fear. Number 3. Growling. This is a low, rumbling sound that dogs make when they feel threatened or aggressive. It can also be a sign of dominance or to warn others to stay away. Number 4. Howling. This is a long, drawn-out sound that dogs make and is often used as a form of communication with other dogs or in response to certain sounds like sirens or music. Number 5. Whimpering. This is a soft, high-pitched sound that dogs make when they are in pain or distress. Number 6. Yelping. This is a sharp, sudden sound that dogs make when they are startled or in pain. Number 7. Panting. This is a rapid, shallow breathing sound that dogs make when they are hot or after exercising. Number 8. Snarling. This is a sound that dogs make when they are angry or feel threatened. It involves baring their teeth and producing a low, guttural growl. By understanding these sounds, you can better communicate with your dog and respond appropriately to their needs. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more new videos.